Alright guys, welcome back. So here's a new video, and today we're taking a look at the Google Chromecast Ultra. Now basically what this is a plug-in device for your TV's HDMI cable. Now it doesn't really seem like much, it is from Google, obviously, but what this is it just plugs into your HDMI cable, or HDMI port in your TV should I say, and it lets you stream stuff like Netflix, Google Play, YouTube, Spotify, Hulu, HBO, Google Photos, Pandora, ESPN, Showtime, CBS, Sling, and Facebook. I don't know about that. And on the side it basically says all the stuff that you can do with it, like your connections, 4K HDR streaming, your HDMI, and all of its solid like devices it can work with. So let's get right into the product. Alright, so on the inside of the box you do get this pamphlet saying how to install, and your basic warranty from Google itself, like return stuff, but we don't need those. So two parts. The first part is that you have your AC to micro USB connector. It's a really long rubber, or kind of a tough wire should I say. It does come with the Velcro strap to help out with cable management, and there is the micro USB port right there. Now that is a really long cable, like super long, that I had to take it out of the camera frame because I couldn't really show the whole thing. But yeah, so the main item is just sitting right there. It's the actual Chromecast body itself. It isn't that big, but all it is, it does have a magnetic back with the HDMI cable. Really short cable, I'm gonna be honest here, but I guess it's just meant for you to plug it into your TV and forget about it, so you don't really need that much of a really long HDMI cable. Now the finish on the front is very glossy, so you do get a lot of fingerprints on it. I don't know why you need a glossy finish for a Chromecast, or anything that will be in the back of your TV that you won't even know it's there until you actually start using it. But I mean, it's there for it's there. So yeah, but basically overall it is a pretty nice device. It isn't that expensive. It is kind of relatively cheap. This won't run something over $100, but you can stream, you can watch YouTube videos on it, connect your phone, stuff like that. So honestly I would recommend it. It's a really good device. And yeah guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.
Thank you.